Hello students, today we have seen chapter number 6, next portion, responsibility towards consumers. First of all, we have seen the various responsibility in social environment and as well as in business firm. So next of to 6.2.4, responsibilities towards consumers. There is a various responsibility towards consumers as well as business terms. So business cannot work without consumers. They survives. Business depends on consumers satisfaction, service and supports. These are the most 3 points important in that. First is satisfaction, service and support. The commercial organization should win the confidence of the consumers. This is possible by the following positive attitude towards consumers and fulfilling following social responsibilities. First is of good quality products. The organization should produce good quality products in every organization, and its quality control the department in the organization. The product international stand and organization ISO is the latest trade for quality control, so the consumer attract these good quality products. Then second is fair prices. The consumer should not be created the charging high prices. It not be possible to classify customers of all the time. For the price conversion, he offers the fair price in the permanent consumer. Maximum retail price MRP will be includes or included in the printed packet, every packet. So retailer should charge every extra amount for the this cannot charge extra amount for this packeting for these consumers. So next is consumer safety. The business must ensure that the product supplied will all affect the life and health of the consumers should not be marketed. Consumers should be wanted of any unsafe goods. So next is honest advertising. Honest matlab smart advertising. The consumers want to know the fact, features and advantage for the production in the organization. The good advertisement gives the various in good advertisement gives the various information about the products. So the advertising must be leading flash misleading and regular advertisement should be avoided. Consumers fault or consumers witnessed honest advertisement in the long term. So next is after social services. These provide after sale services for maintenance of goods during the period of warranty. Efficient and effective offers sale services helps to establish good relation between the consumers and the organization. Then next, research and development. Organization should control research and development to improve the quality of goods and to reduce the cost of production. This will minimize final prices charged to consumers. It must provide quality standards such as AGMARK on respective products. Next is regular supply. This regular supply, the consumer should supply with the goods regularly for requirement of their commercial organization should not create artificial storage of goods for this regular supply. Next, attend complaints. The consumer complaints must be attended immediately. Quick and effective grievance should be implemented. Suggestions of consumers should be welcomed. And training, the business organization should arrange training for their consumers either free or by charging responsible fees. Avoid consumer exploitations. Business should avoid unfair trade practices which lead to exploitation. They should avoid monopolistic competition in interest of consumer. Next, responsibility 6.2.5, responsibility towards government. This one of responsibilities is asked for final exam for 12 board. Responsible towards government. The government controls the business with objectives of sufficient economic development of country and safeguarding the interest of the common man. Thus, these responsibilities towards government for subsidies to business, the following responsibility will be created for following organization towards government. First responsibility is that timely payment of taxes. The government should paid the payment, give the time payment of taxes like sale tax, income tax, well tax, etc. Business unit should pay these taxes from time to time. It would be difficult for the government to undertake development projects without availability of funds. Second, observing rules and regulation. The rules formed by the government for business should be fully completed with. The business should follow the laws regarding obtaining license for a special business, the portion of the business price determination and production, etc. They should conduct business in lawful manner. Third, earning foreign exchange. The government also expect from business organization that it will earn foreign exchange by exporting goods. The government requires this foreign exchange for importing various goods, valuable and important products. Economic development. The government act sets the targets for balance and rapid economic development of the country. The business organization should provide necessary cooperation of the government. Next, implementing socio-economic policies. The government experts cooperation and help from the business sector in implementing socio-economic programs and policies. Then 6 points, suggestion to the government. The business organization can provide suggestion of the government before forming important policies such as industrial policy, import export policy, licensing policy, etc. Next point, no favors. The commercial organization should not take many favor from the government by preparing the various influencing them. Next 8 point, contributing to government treasury. मतलब terms and conditions. The commercial organization must contribute the funds to government during the emergencies and natural commitments like floods, earthquakes, etc. Give the moral supports through governments. So next point 6.2.6, responsibility towards committee, sociality, public in general. First is business organization has certain responsibility towards the society at large. They are as under protection of environment. Pollution is the major problem of present times. Air pollution and water pollution are due to industries, chemical plants, cement plants, etc. The business organization should take all possible measures to minimum pollution. Next, better and maximum use of resources. The business organization should make proper and better resources for maximum sources like fuel, water, land, etc. must be used efficiently. Third point, reservation for weaker section. The organization is expected to reserve certain position in their establishment for economically weaker sections of the society to lift up the economically weaker section of the society. Fourth, development of backward regions. The society requires that the business organization should be started in backward areas. This will create employment opportunities and increase purchasing power among the rural people. Protect against antisocial activities. Business organizations should not participate in antisocial activities. It will observe affect the society or protect against non-social activities in the terms of environment. Then financial assistance. The society expert donations and financial assistance for various social causes such as poverty, literacy, etc. They accept business organization to provide financial assistance to various awareness programs such as in anti-drug compliance and pollution campaign, etc. Prevent congestions. The business should avoid conversations of exclusive in cities by spreading industries different places or location. Industries should be preferably located in industrial zones only. Employment generation. The business should provide large employment opportunity for all sections of society. It can be done through expansion and diversification program. Such will be helped to solve the problems of unemployment, poverty in the business. Next point, 6.3, social responsibility towards protection. Social responsibility towards protection and environment. This responsibility towards protection, this chart is available in your book, page number 122. Business, extraction of raw material, import and management of resources, generation of waste and byproducts, influence of environment, effect of business environment, air pollution, water pollution, sound pollution, and electronic garbage. Then business ethics concept, 6.4, business ethics concept. The definition, the business ethics is as art of social of maintaining relationship with society, its various groups and institutions, as well as recognizing the moral responsibility for right and wrong conduct of a business. So it will be important point number 6.4.3, features of business ethics. There will be 8 points, see one by one. First is code of conduct. Business ethics is a code of conduct. It tells what it to do and what not to for the welfare of the society. All businessmen must follow the code of conduct based on moral and social values. It contains moral and social principles for doing business. These include self control, consumer protection, and welfare, service to society, for treatment to social groups, not to exploit others, etc. Gives protection to social groups. Business ethics give protection to different social groups such as consumer, employee, enroll, businessmen, government, shareholders, creditors, etc. Next point, provides business framework. It gives the social culture, economic, legal, and other limits of business. Business must be conducted within these limits. Next, voluntary. The business must be accept business ethics on their own. Business ethics must be like for well discipline. It must not be enforced by law. Next, requires education and guidance. Businessmen must be given proper education and guidance before introducing business ethics. The businessman must be motivated to implement business ethics. Relative terms